good morning. Your host and host Arun once again, along with all of you. It has been some time since we met and spoke on this medium of videos. The only reason is that I wanted to complete all my 6 books, which are 6 books in 1 year. That is incredible, isn't it? It's a nice feeling. And I just wanted to test my ability to do something about which I had been reading in books and I had been watching in motivational videos, and I had heard some of the wisest people saying, and that is, we all have got unlimited capacity to do something which, until we do it, we will think as if it's impossible. There was a time when I couldn't even imagine having completed 6 full volume books. When I say full volume, I mean a book which has got at least 60,000 words. And today here am I sitting and talking to you when I have completed 6 books in just 1 year. This is just one example. The point here is that you, yes, I'm talking to you, you can do something which you today think is impossible for you to do. And this is absolutely possible. It's not a marketing call. If you feel like talking to me, just talk to me. And we'll together find within a few minutes as what are those things which you wanted to do, but you can actually complete and transform your life. This is Saturday morning, and this is the time when I want to dedicate a few hours of my weekend just to ensure that you become greater, better, and stronger. Whether you are in corporate life, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a student, whether you are a family person, whether you are a person who wants to do something in the society, it is always possible for you to do something which will forget about the world, will certainly get you mesmerized, amazed with the kind of work which you can do. You have got a seed of amazing things which you can do. The only thing is that I do not want you to keep this seed hidden within you all your life. And that's the reason I'm so happy to see that you are watching the video. So I must thank you, I must salute you for watching this video, because you had the option of watching so many other contents or videos or movies or WhatsApp messages which many times are not going to help you. But people do that. But you have decided, you have chosen to watch these videos. So I can tell you with 100% assurance, confidence, that you have got a seed of complete transformation which is within you. Maybe in case of many of you, the seed already might have become a sapling, but it might be yet to become a tree. It's not possible. The world is full of magic, miracles, and happenings which are going to make you believe in the fact that you are destined to become great. Thank you for watching this video. I'll keep it very short with just one message. Think about some of the talents, some of the dreams, some of the passions, some of the things which you always wanted to do. Think about some of the compliments which you have been getting from your teachers, from your colleagues, from your peers, from your managers, from your family members. Think about the things which people say that you do very uniquely. Think about some of these amazing abilities which are there with you, within you, but you never build upon these abilities. Building on your abilities is very important, and for that you need to put efforts. You need to take some actions. You need to take some actions in the field which you think comes the closest to your talents. And then this talent will start getting bigger and better and stronger. It's like the process of creating a pearl. There are different layers which start getting deposited around a little nucleus, and then the pearl becomes bigger, shinier, and better. Your talent is also like a seed, like that small nucleus around which you have to put in layers of efforts and work, and then this beautiful pearl of life comes to shape. If you want to talk to me, let me know. You can write to me, you can send a message on my WhatsApp, you can leave a message on my Facebook page. Transformed You, that's the name of the page. Stay transformed, stay great, that's the message. That's the only message which I want to share with you on this weekend morning. And I know that you have got this pearl of wisdom, this pearl of greatness within you. Take care. Bye-bye.